Hello, Jaden. Jaden, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa, here goes Jaden. Here goes Jaden.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Family fun. Come on, let me kick your ass.
Ah!
You know I I'll give you both $100 to go home right now.
The Caribou Lodge is closed today, so it's making me miserable.
He's coming over again. Oh, he's coming.
We're having some financial trouble due to a recent thinning of the herd.
Oh.
Thinking of the herd? The old man dying.
Ah!
We're down to 4 days a week now.